Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate how to assemble a standard rack. Tip the desk on its face with its back in the air. Install the rack panel as shown and tighten the cams. Install the rack header as shown and tighten cams. On the outside of the rack, install the table brace. Install the rack tambour by inserting into the lower slot and keeping even as you roll. Install bottom panel of the rack with cams facing down. Tighten all cams. Place the stop blocks and tighten. Place the rear access panel for the rack into position and tighten with screws. Lift desk to standing and install handles on the lead tambour and on the rack. Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs.